Hi all, here we are, afternoon of day 2 of the hunting trip in the mountains. Seen quite a few signs of deer prints and that over in the area over there. Set the game camera up overnight and excuse me, got nothing on the game camera, or maybe a roo or something, or just a set of eyes, but couldn't see it on the camera. I'll have to wait till we get home and download it on the computer. But a lot of blackberries about, and just going for a walk this afternoon into the pines to check out the other side through there. And as you can see right through the pines here. Not a bad area, but cold, very cold. Freezing last night. Was in the sleeping bag with a blanket and everything, and had the fire going and that, and very cold. But anyway, some nice mountains in the background there. We had a bit of a glass around them yesterday, but very quiet there. And we've had a few hunters through this place probably a month ago, and so just there, there's a few signs of some pellets laying on the ground, probably a day old, I'd say, probably yesterday or the day before. A few here, so looks like a bit of a game trail running through here. Anyway, we'll try and walk down here pretty quietly, and might catch them coming out into the afternoon sun to catch a bit of last hour or so of sunlight, or 2 hours. Won't be long, the sun will be setting. I'd say probably 2 hours time, and might just wander down into this, follow this bit of a trail here. Yep. The blackberries are pretty thick here. You can see the trail going through the blackberries here, so not too sure if I'll be venturing too far in here. So I might go and have a bit of a look. Distinct game trail, as you can see through here. So anyway, try and battle through here. Pretty hard on the gear, these blackberries, but anyway, I'll just come down here nice and quietly. Normally get a few deer here. We're hunting a private forest in New South Wales, and probably be here for 3 days. I know the area pretty well through here. There's a nice watering hole the other side of all these pines here. More blackberries here. Just come through very nice and quietly, and this is some of the country we hunt. A branch there, broken branches. There's a few rubs around the other side that we seen yesterday. Just keep continuing through here. They might be still bedded down, but normally of an afternoon like this they maybe an hour a bit too early for them, but they'll start moving out to catch a bit of the sun and start feeding through the night. Anyway, but that's the country we hunt in and deal with. It's not a bad forest through the pines. If anything, they'd be bedded down in this area. They'd be coming out to the fringes to feed. Probably in the next hour or so, I'd like to might come into a spot and just sit on the sunny side of the hill and see if they'll come out. Hopefully on my side. Anyway, we'll keep going from there. See broken pine branches, freshly broken, probably yesterday or through the night. Anyway, just continue on here. Come out to where the sun's shining, and hopefully not bump into one. Hopefully not bump him. So anyway, continue on. Come out the other side here, do a bit of glassing. Okay, well, oh, those blackberries are pretty. Oh. Try and get through here. Shocking stuff to walk through. All these blackberries. Back in the clear again here. All these pretty mushrooms are poisonous, I'm not sure. We got some saffron milk caps yesterday, we had them for a brekkie and a bit for lunch today. They're an orange type. If I come across some more, I'll take a photo of these, but these mushrooms here are inedible. As far as I know they are, anyway. Here's some saffron milk cups here. They're a bit old, these. They've been frozen, been that cold here, but they're the older ones. Here's another saffron milk cup. It's a bit old. Starting to go green underneath, but anyway, here's some more. These are all edible. Not a bad, they grow big size. I'll pick it up, get it in my hand. See, that's an older one, but it's still good to eat. Hang on, I'll just try and focus. But that's the size of it in my hand. They're a big mushroom, fresh as this one. Very good eating. Good for your kidneys, good for your heart, good for your immune system. Anyway, I'll take this one. A couple more here, I'll just take what I want. Here's another one here, I'll just set up here. See, they grow in under the pine there. Easy to miss them. Some nice ones here. I'll be picking a few of these to take home with me. But I'll take this one here I got back to camp, and I'll have this with tea with some couple of venison chops, I'd say, for tonight. Okay viewers, well, just about to come into an open area here, so I'll just get prepared in case something there. Some nice areas in through there, and be a bit of sun out here, we might get onto something. And I'll try, and if I'm quick enough, if something comes across or I spot one and I have time to turn the camera on before we take a shot, I'll turn yours back on. Okay, I'll just leave this on till we come through here. I've got the wind in my favour. It's a very slight breeze. I've got it in my face. It's not really wind, it's just a light breeze. And anyway, nice feeding area here. Nice feeding area, plenty of green grass. So, but no bare ground to check for prints. But if I come across a set of prints or something, I'll turn yours on and show you what they look like. More broken pines there. So something's been coming through here. And more saffron milk caps here. So definitely be picking a box full of them to take home. Here's another real nice fresh one here. Just the perfect eating size. This one. So you can see something's been nibbling at it, but you can cut that out and just pick it. Beautiful, beautiful mushroom. And they don't shrink like normal mushrooms when you cook them. They hold that and they don't shrink, shrivel up and shrink away. So these two. I'll just put them, just set them up in the pack, and set this over here for a minute while I put them in the pack. Take them back to camp for tea tonight. I only normally skip what I need. Don't go overboard. Plenty here for everyone. Pack it up in a little bag and okay, viewers, I'll get back to you if we spot any deer. And I'll just pack a couple of them mushrooms for me and my mates at the camp, having a bit of a snooze. A bit too early for him to come out, and he'll probably be wandering out in about half an hour. And I'll talk to you when I get back and hopefully spot some prints or something new, and we'll catch you then. Cheers. Welcome back, viewers. Just settled here in into the pines here. Come across a couple of really good game trails. I don't really want to go walking the game trail, put my scent through it, but anyway, it's on the edge of the pines, as you can see. There's thick blackberries all the way through here. There's a nice game trail running straight through there that's been getting used very frequently, and comes across from the other side there, and they come through there and they go around through the blackberries through here, and then along the edge of the blackberries here the game trail goes through the other side of the pines through here and drop down a steep gully down there. So I would say they've probably come out of that gully to walk along here and across through the blackberries here and up over that ridge. It's only young pines and a fair bit of feed through there. But as in saying that, there's a fair bit of feed along this ridge here, and you can just see the sun's just starting to shine on the ridge there. So I'm just tucked away in here in these pines here, and I'll be sitting here till I'd say till dark, and I'm probably about half a kilometre away from camp, roughly through all these pines. So it's not that a difficult trek. It gets pretty thick through there, so I might have to go back around through there. Might take me 3/4 of a kilometre to get back to camp the easier way, or half a k if I can make my way through these blackberries and back around on the top of that ridge over there. I'll just follow the ridge right back to camp. So anyway, I'm running a 270 Marlin, great all-round rifle with a Bushnell scope, with a luminous rectal, which I don't sort of use that much really, the luminous part of it. It's a nice rifle. I might show you that if it'll come through. Whether it'll come through on the camera or not, I'm not too sure if it will or not. But anyway, it's luminous, lights up through the night, and anyway, I'll try and show you through the scope what I'm dealing with. It's probably not showing too much anyway. I've never put the camera up to the scope, but anyway, nice rifle. You know, I've got the pad here to raise my cheek level a bit up through here, so I can, as soon as my cheek hits that, I'm right onto the side with my eye onto the scope. And good all round rifle, cheap, 270, shoots flat, shoots fast, great deer rifle, you know, great deer rifle for a budget price. Very good deer rifle. Alright viewers, well, I'll just settle in here. Probably be dark in an hour, or maybe a bit sooner, and hopefully if something comes along I'll try and take a bit of footage of that for you. Cheers. Welcome back. Decided to move a little bit. Just starting to get out of the sun. Not much movement around here, and just heading up this trail here, and anyway, come across a nice rub here in the pines. I wouldn't say it's probably a few days old by the look of it here. Nice rub. maybe 4 or 5 days, maybe a bit sooner. Still very sticky. I'd say the sap's been running, so anyway, I'm just put my gear down here, and I'll turn the camera on and show you this rub. It's just on the fringe of the pines where it opens up into the all the hardwood country here. I've just come out up over that ridge there. I was sitting right down the bottom and up the other side of that ridge, so probably walked about 300 metres or so carefully up to there. There's the hardwood here and all the small pines here. So I'll probably be take this down along here. Just show myself around the corner here, and as you can see, the sun's starting to set, and some pretty big mountains over there. I normally sit down here on this rock here and glass over there, but these younger pines have grown and it's getting difficult to glass. You can only glass probably a mile or 2 away, which is a bit too far to walk. By the time you go down the gully and up the other side, you're probably walking 3 k's to get to it, so I'll just be concentrating on this area here till dark. Come across a few prints back there, just see if there's any prints through here. Dog print there. I'll just take you down here. Some more prints here. The kangaroo here. And dog print there. A lot of feral dogs here. Wild dogs. A few dog prints here. Again there, big dog print there, one from down there, so wandering down the hill here to the ridge. So very big problem here in the forest with dogs, cats as well. Anyway, we're out here to do deer hunting, but we've got to clean the dogs and feral cats up as well. That's a part of the deal on this private forest. Deer, dogs and cats are priority. Anyway, there's more dog prints over here. Very, very big dog. I'll try and put my hand down here. As you can see, about half the size of my hand, you could say. Very big. Anyway, alright viewers, I might just hike up to this ridge up here a bit and sit there till dark and head back to camp. I'll bring this back again if anything happens. It's got a deer down here, probably 200 metre shot. Good shot, nice sized deer. Just left it for about 10 minutes and driving down to pick it up. Dropped exactly where it was. Beautiful shot. Wow, headshot. With half his jaw and mouth away. Good job. Alright, we'll better get organised and clean him up.